I controlled my wild fussy natural hair using this particular homemade gel, and I'm going to show you how I made that gel using the cheapest ingredients. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm bringing you another video showing you how to make okra gel. On my viral okra gel video, the question I got asked the most was what to do if you don't have a blender to blend your okra. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your okra gel if you don't have a blender, and we are going to be using good old mortar and pestle. But first, let's go ahead and prep our okra. So I've set my okra on the fire to cook. I'm going to leave my pot open because if you leave your pot open to cook okra, it's going to be more slimy, whereas if you cover the pot, you're going to lose some of that sliminess that helps to make the gel. I'm going to cook my okra until it's very soft. Because I'm not using a blender, I need the okra to be extremely soft so that the pounding process will be easy and my okra will break easily. Once the okra is done, I'm going to strain it to get out the excess water and then transfer the okra into the mortar. If you have a bigger mortar, you can use that, but the mortar I have is small, and thankfully my quantity of okra was able to fit into the mortar, so I'm just going to transfer that and then pound the okra as much as I can. Take note, you want to do all of this while your okra is still hot, straight from the fire. This will help you get the perfect gel, smooth in texture or consistency and without any lumps. And this is the part we've all been waiting for. Now, I had a lot of people asking me what to do if you don't have a blender. The other option would be to pound it honestly, or if you have a grinding stone from the good old days, you can use the grinding stone. But the other option, if you have no blender, would be to use a mortar. This one takes more time and it's more labor intensive, but just follow the process you see me follow in this video. You would get your okra gel very easy. Remember, when you are adding your water to the okra before you boil it, you don't want to add too much water. The water should be just enough to cover the okra. That way your gel won't be watery, but it will be just the right consistency. And now I'm done with pounding. I'm going to strain my okra using a wig cap. I use a wig cap so that particles won't get into the gel. I'm also straining my okra while it's hot. It's not boiling hot at this point, but it's hot enough to allow the gel to pass through the wig cap and get me the products that I need. And this is the okra gel I have at the end of the day. Just the right consistency that I was looking for. Not too watery and not too thick. Although if I wanted it thicker, all I would have had to do would have been to reduce the quantity of water added to the initial boiling process. So I'm going to transfer this to my applicator bottle and it's ready to be applied to my hair. And my okra gel is ready. I'm about to apply it to my hair. Sorry guys, the kids in the background are my niece and nephew. This is one side of my head and I've already applied the gel. I'm going to part the other side of my head and apply it in sections. Okra gel is great because it works the same way that flaxseed gel does. It helps you detangle your hair. It makes it very easy to detangle. It also helps to moisturize the hair. It helps to define your hair. It helps to reduce breakage and hair loss. And among other benefits, it helps to condition the hair, makes the strands stronger, and helps to keep the scalp healthy, etc. Let me try and answer a few other questions that I got asked. I got asked if the gel can be used on short hair. Yes, it can be used on short hair. It can be used on long hair. It can be used on medium length hair. I think I also got asked if the gel can be used on relaxed hair. And yes, anything that can be used on natural hair can basically be used on relaxed hair, except the person who posed the tutorial says otherwise. And the last two questions I want to answer regarding usage and storage. For use, if you're just starting out and you want to be consistent, you can use this every week for at least a month. Use it every week and see how your hair responds. If you like the results you get, you can keep on using it, or you can try another deep conditioner. And for storage, I make the quantity that lasts just the wash day I'm going to be using it on. So I don't like to make too much, just so that the gel does not lose its viscosity and also so that it's fresh. But if you want to make more, you can make more and refrigerate it or freeze it. And that's it guys for this gel. If you have any other questions or any comments or any suggestions, go ahead and leave them down below and I will answer as much as I can. But I have to go now and tend to these kids. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.